Welcome in today, my dear student. Listen with carefully. आइए आज जानने की कोशिश करते हैं अबाउट लीवर. What is liver and what is function of liver and how many important for our body. The liver perform a widely array of the function crucial for the oral health, including detoxification, metabolism, protein synthesis, and the bile production. It also plays a role in the regulating blood sugar level and storing vitamins and help with the blood clotting. And there is some function: detoxification and waste removal. The liver act as the filter, removing toxins like drugs, alcohol, and other harmful substances from the body. It converts ammonia, a toxin hydroproduct of the protein breakdown, into urea, which is then and excited by the kidney. It breaks down to the billions and waste product from the breakdown of the red blood cell, preventing jaundice. Next, metabolism. The liver plays a central role in the carbohydrate metabolism, storing glucose as a glycogen and releasing it when needed to maintain stable blood sugar level. It's involved in metabolism, producing biles of a bad digestion and absorbing fat and soluble vitamins. The liver processes ammonia acid and the building blocks of the protein and the synthesis protein needed for various bodily function. Next, protein synthesis. The liver produces albumin, a protein that helps the transport hormones, drugs, and the fatty acid through the bloodstream. Its synthesis clothing factor essential for the proper blood clothing. It produces proteins that carry fat and cholesterol throughout the body. Next, bile production. The liver produces bile, a fluid that aids in the digestion and the absorption of fat. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine when needed. Other important function: the liver stores vitamins and minerals including iron and copper. They play a role in regulating blood cholesterol level. It helps body regular hormone level. The liver produces cholesterol and protein that carry fat through the body. It helps process hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cell that carry oxygen.